how to buy our stocks token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, you go some crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screen here. It created 3 hours ago and increased by 400% in the last 24 hours, and this token trends in number 4 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that, as you can see. After that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see in this, our token, click on it and click on I understand. After that, type here how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, select that provider by click on pricing, click on provider, select the Jupiter for example, click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap and you will be able to access the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy our stocks token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.